Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix keyboard keeps disconnecting in Windows 10 Balloon PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you are also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, restart your PC, then check your keyboard working or not. If not, unplug and test in different USB port. Then also not fix problem, right click on start menu, click on device manager, then double click on keyboards, then right click on keyboard device, then click on update driver. After updating driver, close this window, go to the Windows settings, click on accessibility. In this, click on keyboard. Here you disable sticky keys and filter keys. Close this window. Again right click on Windows key. Click on device manager. Then click on universal serial bus controller. Then right click on USB root hub. Click on properties. Then click on power management. Then uncheck this option. Click on OK. After doing this, once you restart your PC, fixed your problem. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.